Number 2 says, examine the scatter plot to complete the following. State the association. This one also looks like it is going down. It is negative. For the most part, seems linear and seems to be moderate. So we're going to say negative linear moderate association. We'll draw the line of best fit that passes through or in between most of the points. Remember, it does not need to go through the first point and the last point. On this one, it looks like it does again. And we're going to pick some points to estimate the slope that are on the line, not necessarily data points, like maybe that point. It looks like it's actually a slope that kind of looks like -1, but the scale is also off. So we will state that the slope is about, it's down 1 and actually right 2. And the y-intercept is at 0,8, which means that our prediction equation is y is approximately equal to -1/2 x plus 8. And then, like we did on the last problem, we'll use this to find some missing parts of ordered pairs and look back at our graph and make sure that it makes sense, and it probably will. So the first one is we're going to plug in a half and figure out what our y value is, which is 7 3/4. This is probably a good time to look at your graph and make sure that this seems reasonable, because if it doesn't, that probably means that your answer to F will also be off. And now for F, we're going to plug in 3.5. That's pretty much it. So that one we got 9, 3.5. And again, if we go back up to our graph, x value of 9, 3.5 seemed reasonable. The other one we had was a x value of a half and a y value that was 7 3/4, almost 8. And that looks reasonable as well.